The Queen once said, everyone was her neighbor, no matter what race, creed, or color. And as an American residing in Canada, I've always had a certain fondness for the Queen and a certain reverence for the monarchy. In her tireless and selfish dedication to being of service and promoting equality, I would like to honor and remember Her Royal Highness with the humble gesture of offering and hosting an everyone welcome, fee-free cooking class in her memory. I will be teaching you how to prepare one of her favorite meals from scratch, the Gaelic steak using beef as well as venison, along with a creamy mushroom whiskey sauce, her favorite parsnips and mash, and to keep it Canadianized, I'm going to add a maple syrup roasted carrot. She also loved the chocolate biscuit cake, which I'll be showing you how to make from scratch. Apparently, she would eat a sliver of this cake every night before bed and had to, as she said, finish it up, no matter if she was in London or America. Would you please join me on Saturday, October 1st at 5 p.m. along with the many other admirers of AKA Kitty Hawk or the Red Fern, a code name used by the U.S. Secret Service while in Washington, for a night of fanfare and fun as we collectively say goodbye and pay homage to our royal sister, Elizabeth II. Please go to our website, ChefJoey.ca, to join us. Wait a second, I forgot about her royal cocktail. Her royal cocktail was Dubonnet, Rouge, and Gin. R.I.P. Rest in power, my queen.